Okay, so the Dabbawalas, are they only famous in Mumbai or all over India?
No, the question is again incorrect.
Yeah,
They are they are not famous in Mumbai. They are world famous.
but they are present in Mumbai only, right?
Yes, that is the question that you should ask. If they are present in only Mumbai, that is the thing. Because I am not aware if they are in Kolkata or anywhere else, but there might be such delivery systems, but with this efficiency, only Mumbai Dabbawalas do it.
Okay.
And efficiency in the case, you can understand like 2 lakh tiffins they are delivering within the 4 hours span, that is from 10:30 to 1:30, yani, the lunch time, and they are returning that dibbas back to the home. So it can't be like they are nearby, they are traveling almost like 80 to 100 kilometers, the dabbas. Okay. And again, this is like the error rate, the mismatch of dabba rarely happens. Like it is 1 in 1 lakh tiffins they make a mistake. So they have been given a Six Sigma. So they are the first means organization, or what we say, that unorganized means sector getting the Six Sigma certification. So if you can check you in Google, so they have that accuracy. So with that accuracy, no one else is there throughout world or throughout India. And again, so the coding system is also very peculiar. Like the they don't know the address also, means it's just like when I first time saw this, came to know about Dabbawalas, because I am also not from Mumbai, I am from outside. So I recently shifted to Mumbai around 3 to 4 years back. But then I understood when there was a like the IIM Ahmedabad students did a case study at that time on these Dabbawalas. So that's when my attention was, I got interest into this, what it is exactly. So at that time, I came to know that they are offloading and onloading all the dabbas within 40 seconds of time from local trains. So this is all because of local train network. We cannot completely say it is their own thing, but they local network is also very strong in Mumbai. So they did it like the efficiency is very high, error is very less. So that is the thing.
So can you explain this coding system again? I mean, how do they code to track the customers?
No, that for that we need to practically visit a Dabbawala, and you, or maybe you can check it in YouTube, because even I don't remember. I saw that coding around 10 years back when I was first time I came to Mumbai. At that time, I was just going through all these case studies, and at that time I had seen that coding system, and I did happen to see few Dabbawalas also traveling in Mumbai. So so even for me, I also thought earlier ki what is a big thing in Dabbawala? What is a big thing of Mumbai Dabbawala? Why it is so people keep saying. So when you will understand what they are doing and how they are managing, then it is a big shot. Then it's a big game, because to manage without any IT infrastructure, without any mobile, and this is not they're doing it from today. They are doing it from last 100 years. So they are doing that, and you know how the post office works. Post even the postman and that sorting type of thing. So the similar thing they also have, dabbawalas.
So where do you think those dabbawalas live? Those people who deliver the food.
Mostly they are uneducated. They live in slums.
Oh. So that's their
Mm.
only job, only income.
Yes, yes, correct.
So do you think they can provide better food delivery service than Zomato or Swiggy?
See, they are giving 500 rupees. They are charging just 500 rupees monthly. And if you order from Zomato, how much you have to pay for one meal? You, like if you are in office and you order from Zomato, the one meal will cost you around 400 to 500 bucks, right?
Yeah.
So this is the monthly charge, 500 rupees. And apart from that, the customers, the target segment of Dabbawalas means the customers of Dabbawalas are those who who can't get good food in that area. Because see, if you happen to work in BKC and you expect that you should get a meal for 80 or 100 rupees, then it's not possible for you. You have to travel another 30 to 40 kilometers, or at least a 20 kilometers from there to get a meal for 80 rupees. So going 20 kilometers or going 15 kilometers and coming back 15 kilometers, that cost will be huge. So there are many working class, middle class people who can't afford having food every day outside in Mumbai. Okay. So even if you visit a restaurant, then also your bill, you can't have that uh, what we say, that long lunch break, or you can't have that much of uh, it's obvious, like it not healthy, also it's unhealthy food if you eat outside. So they dabbawalas come into picture to solve this problem, and they will actually only transport the food that is prepared at the home. So if a accountant from a bank in State Bank of India, or maybe some XYZ company, so his mother or wife or maybe some maid prepares food, so that food will be collected by this Dipawalas by 10:30, and it will be delivered before lunchtime, like around 12:30 to between 1 p.m. They will deliver it. And this saves lots of money, both sides. Like he also is satisfied, the person who gets the dabba. Okay, he gets homemade food at the comfort of his office. So it is delivered to desk most of the time. They don't even disturb you. They will keep it at your desk and they will leave from there. And this is the level of accuracy that not even one tiffin gets exchanged. Like in 1 lakh, you will get only one error. So it's highly accurate system that they are having. And for that reason, there is all these management schools, then again big corporates, even they don't have Six Sigma. Can you name me one company in India that has a Six Sigma for like this type of things? Do
No.
you do? No, right? So they got the Six Sigma before any corporate gets in India, right? They got a Six Sigma certificate. And I have seen that photo also, when a person of the head of that Dabawala is holding a Six Sigma certificate. So it's a very big thing, right? So to understand the system, you should, I will say, personally visit Mumbai once, and you can just speak with them, the management, because it is not that one person is carrying from home and delivering it to the desk. There are around 20 groups, so everyone is involved in that, and everyone has to work with the same efficiency and same speed. If you work faster, then also yeah, it's not good, and if you work slower, then also it won't work. So everyone works at a same speed, right? So one person person will collect it from home and deliver it to a sorting hub. From there it is sorted to different stations, and as per the district, and from there it is loaded on that wooden, uh, you see that wooden type of thing, and from there they will load it to the trains. And you know, have you traveled in local Mumbai local, any of you ever?
Mumbai, no.
Local, is there anyone who has
I
seen
haven't visited
or
Mumbai.
okay, so you, that is the thing. So Mumbai local is so much crowded all the time, and so much rush. So I have seen them carrying huge tiffins and that big what we say, that wooden car, wooden thing. Okay, so they, you can't imagine, like the local stops hardly for 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. Within that time you have to remove that, and you have to load the another, like unload the at the correct station. मतलब मुंबई में ऐसा है ना कि अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी मोबाइल में ध्यान दो और दोस्त से बात करने लग जाओ, सो यू वोंट नो कि ये तुम्हारा स्टेशन जब कब छूट गया पीछे. Okay, so in that situation, they are doing this with such good efficiency. Then it is really appreciable, I'll say.
हरी जी, एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे ऐड करना, आपने बोला ना मनी सेव करते थे, सेव एज वेल एज टाइम आल्सो. तो घर से
Right.
सामान लेते हैं एंड वो लोग कोडिंग करते हैं, जैसे हमने वीडियो में भी नोटिस किया होगा कि टिफिन बॉक्स में वो लोग अपने कोड करते हैं, लाइक विद कलर्स एंड सिंबल्स.
Correct.
तो वैसे वो लोग कोड करते हैं एंड फिर लोकल ट्रेन्स में भी वो लोग कैरी करते हैं एंड वहां पे भी डब्बा वाले लोग खड़े रहते हैं हर एक स्टेशन पे.
Yes, right. वो भी उतारने में हेल्प करेंगे and they will, yes, correct. So time is also saved. That is also correct.
वो लोग ने इतना ट्रस्ट भी बिल्ड किया है अपने कस्टमर जैसे अपने की इतने कम रेट, मतलब इतने कम मतलब इतना कम लेते भी है, सो इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल आल्सो.
Right, correct. The trust is also very important factor, क्योंकि because of that only they are still there ना, 100-year-old culture. And whether it is terrorist attack, whether it is natural calamity, कुछ भी आने दो, deliver होगा मतलब होगा उस दिन, ऐसा है. So even terrorist attack also, even when there were riots, Mumbai riots, like Hindu Muslim, even they are working even in such situations also. And they hardly, it's not that they are getting too much of money or salary, but still they are very what we say that sincere about their work. They are very sincere about their job and they do it with full dedications.
एंड एक चीज और है ना, लाइक मतलब सेम डे वो लोग मतलब टिफिन कलेक्ट भी करते हैं एंड फिर वो लोग फिर शाम उसी दिन लाइक डिलीवर वापस बैक भी कर देते हैं.
यस करेक्ट. वो भी एक है. और उसमें भी कैसे है कि यू कैन इमेजिन कि बाकी के जो अपने कोरियर्स वगैरह होते हैं, इवन दे डोंट हैव दिस मच ऑफ एफिशिएंसी, और इतना तो कोरियर वाले भी मतलब डेली नहीं करते होंगे, मतलब जितना वो लोग डिलीवर करते हैं. मीन्स the courier guys also they will not do this much of deliveries in one day, because yes. और उनका कैसे courier वालों का is defined कि बस they have to go and drop it, they don't have to collect it back also. So वहां पे भी मतलब that is the thing. और apart from that, बाकी के जो अपना corporate culture is there, so वहां पे हमेशा there is a bossing type of culture, like I am a senior, I am a manager, so they should listen to me and they should follow me. भले ही गलती हो जाए दुनिया भर का, but they should follow me. right? So this type of culture is abundant. It's we can see in corporate these days, but because of such means such type of corporate thing, there is lots of problems in many corporate companies. But this in this structure, there is no boss for them. Everyone is just dependent on the first person or the other person to be correct, like accurate. So हर कोई अपना एक चेन की तरह काम करते रहता है. That's it. So first person does the mistake, the second has to compensate that mistake,
Yes.
right? So this is
Dependent on
rarely hmm?
They are all dependent on one another.
One another, correct. और ये चीज हम लोग कॉर्पोरेट में तो मीन्स बहुत कम ही देखने मिलता है कि लोग कंपनसेट कर रहे हो किसी की मिस्टेक के लिए. So they will say, they will straight away say it is not my mistake, right? Those who has done the mistake, you catch that person. So that is the thing. So यहाँ पे ultimate जो है उन्होंने goal रखा है customer. Whatever happens, customer should not suffer. He should get the tiffin, he should get the lunch in time, like that.
So how do you think they are so much resilient? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So my question was, how do you think they are so much resilient? That means they are delivering their food in times of natural calamity, disaster, terrorist attack, where
That I
other services stop,
already
they keep on delivering.
yes. It is because the sincerity I told you. They are highly dedicated. It is because of the dedication. They are dedicated for their work. Okay.
All of them are dedicated, each and every single dabba wala.
Yes, of
They
course.
put customer satisfaction first.
Yes, that is the thing. Na? They everyone has that same motive. Customer should get the lunch in time. So that is the thing.
Okay, so let me ask you, during the time of COVID, if there's another lockdown in Mumbai, then their services would stop. So how do you think they can survive that time?
No, we can't say it stopped. It was affected, highly affected, but it didn't stop because the local train started, and I am not sure if they are allowed right now or not. But yes, these people, it's not they have only one source of income. They do have multiple such sources. Like if he is earning from only he's not earning from only tiffin delivery, he might have some other things also that he can do at that time. So dabbawalas. So that is the thing.
Okay, in there, you want to say something about this topic, dabba wala?
Yeah,
Then say.
it's actually great work because this is not easy to like manage and service. And second thing is that one thing is about Famous, that is like one small, like not small, like person who started, he like get idea and he operating this business. He's like 16 years. What is the age of sir? Hari sir, that boy,
Which one?
like who launched this?
Dabba wala. Dabba
Yeah.
wala is 130 years old.
130 years old.
Yeah. The system, it's 130 years old. It's been there for 130 years, as far as I know.
No, but not recently. Like I seen some videos and that one like 11-year boy who like managing this company, kind of that.
No, it's 130 years old. I just played the video in the beginning. You were not there. It's 130-year-old service, dabba wala.
Yeah, that's why I was just to say that this is unbelievable that 11-year-old like in 11-year-old boy started this business. Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, anything else you want to say?
No.
Okay, so let's end the meeting here. We would meet again on Monday.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Good night.
Yeah. Bye. Good night.